Hello, fourth graders. So we have finished part one of our Middle Ages unit. Our next lesson will be part two, where we'll go into some different topics about the Middle Ages and a little bit of a different time period. So for today, you're going to take your mid-unit assessment. For any of these, you can use the text from the Google Forms that you've already submitted. You can use my videos from the read-alouds. And make sure you are using text evidence. Don't just come up with it from the back of your head. Make sure you go in there and find it, okay? So these are all multiple choice. Read each question, read each choice, and use your test-taking strategies to do your best. Number one asks, which are examples of royal things a king or queen in the Middle Ages might own? Number two, who was permitted to use royal things? Number three is true or false. There are many benefits or advantages of being a king and queen. And number four, which is a disadvantage of being a king or queen? Again, make sure you use those strategies. Reread the text if you need to. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye, Adams.